One very, very intelligent man said, "He who fails to plan is planning to fail." And I think it's really, really a case of dental implantology. Planning is the key, as we had a few years ago as a topic our conference. It's still the same. Planning is still the key. And we do planning. Before we had CBCT scanning, we started to plan our cases with the instrument that we had. We had panoramics, we had the lateral X-rays, and we had all those analog drill guides, which still are used. Because even in our practice, in my practice, I still do a lot of non-guided surgery. So we still do use those things. The fact is that we are trying to think before going to surgery. That's the goal of planning whatsoever. So these kind of drill guides, they have their limitations, but they have also their function, and they are easy to prepare, and they help you a lot when you're doing the surgery. But today, of course, with the help of the new technology, we have much better materials. We have the CBCT scanners, which really helped us a lot to see the patients in a three-dimensional view, so we can have really nice understanding about the situation before doing actual surgery. And today we can combine those images, even with the intraoral scanners. We can match these together and have better view, because not only the bony situation would be visible, but also the soft tissue and then dental tissue can be also be considered when we do those kind of planning in the surgery. Those images can be matched together. They are used with those anatomic markers, landmarks that you can find jointly in CBCT scanners and intraoral scanners. And the software is supposed to bring those two images to each other, gives you a bit of calibration on the one time, but also giving the situation or interaction between hard and soft tissue.